Now, let's crochet the drawstring cord lock for the cat bag, also using 2 strands of dark brown yarn. Start on the last slip stitch of the back side of the cat bag. Insert the crochet hook into the last slip stitch, wrap the yarn and pull through. Crochet 7 chain stitches. And finish with a slip stitch in the same stitch. Again, enlarge the loop and pull the yarn out. Leave a length of yarn and cut it off. Use a tapestry needle to hide the yarn ends, and trim any excess yarn. The drawstring toggle for the cat bag is now complete.